Hi everyone, as we were doing our travels, we came across this palatial villa. And as you can see it from there, it is a beautiful unit. This unit is 350 square meters. It has been done on a 50 by 100 lot of land. It is in an estate called Sunset Estate, and that's why we are doing the video in the sunset. You get it? Good. As you can see from the drone shots, this estate is beautiful and very well done. And just guess how much developer is asking for this unit. Only 22 million Kenya shillings. Let's get started. From there, you can see that the unit comes with a very good parking area, and this space will fit, let's say, up to 4 cars. I like it that on the opposite side you have your green space, and this green space is connecting to the back greenery on the other side. But for you to get there, you can either use the sidewalk on the other side, or you can go through the kitchen to the employee quarters. Two things to note, that this is the entrance porch of this unit and it is very beautiful. I don't know why the developer did not do the flowers all through, but whatever is there, it's very beautiful. The entrance porch is massive, very well done, and you can use a door here to get into the dining area direct. The living area is on my left hand side, and up there you have the primary bedroom. Let me tell you, the views that you are getting from that space is incomparable. And because I know some of you will be asking, Mungai Kihara, why are you doing a video at night? I'll drag all of you inside. Wow, just wow. I like the size of this living room. It has been done very well. I like the floors because they look mahogany-ish. I don't know what kind of tiles are these, but they are blending very well with the white of the walls. But something that is very unique about this house is the front side, or the focal point of this unit. First, you are getting a traditional chimney, which will be very usable when you want to warm this house, but this can easily get converted to a modern fireplace. If you like doing your TVs on a good space, you can always do them up here. And the space is massive to fit even a 75 or an 85-inch TV. I like one thing, the size of the window that you are getting in this living room. One thing, it is acting as an access to the front yard, and from here you are getting the best breezes from Sunset Estate. Isn't it not beautiful? Let me tell you, the breeze that you are getting from here is very fresh. The living room is opening to the dining area on this side, and I know we have seen bigger dining spaces in this channel, but this one can easily fit a 10-seater to a 12-seater dining set. If you like enjoying time with your extended family, this is where you can have all your gukas and all your shows when they visit. One thing to note is that the dining space comes with a small vanity, and something that you'll have to remember is that all the wash basins and the sinks are coming with bronze taps. That is very posh. On the opposite side, the dining area is opening to the kitchen, and from there you can see that this kitchen is bigger than some of the 2 bedrooms that you have. As you can see from there, if you like doing industrial cooking or you like doing big parties, this is a kitchen that will deliver all that work. It is very beautiful, and you have the island that is separating the right wing from the left wing. Before I show you the specifics of this kitchen, I like the laminar flow of the kitchen to the pantry. And if this is the kitchen, this is where you will do all your dry foods. And for the nyanyas, onions and potatoes, those ones will have to be kept down there. On my right hand side, you have the sink area, and it comes with a double sink, 2 spaces for you to dry your utensils, a big massive window for maximum natural light, and a crazy tap for all your washing and rinsing. Behind me, you have your laundry area. Here is where you'll do your washer and dryer. And if this is not enough, I'll show you an industrial laundry area outside. This door is taking you to the kitchen garden, the employee quarters, and the clothing area. But before we see that, this other side of the kitchen, you have your cooking area. And the space is big enough for a 6-burner cooktop. A heat extractor will be installed here, and the cabinetry are very long. If you are not a tall person, the heights of this cabinetry will pull you to heaven and back. As I said, that door is taking you to the laundry area and other spaces, and this one is taking you to the guest bedroom, the common washroom, and you have the stairs that takes you to the upper level. Come with me, I need to show you something. On this side, you have a space that has been reserved for hard washing. If you want to wash your gumboots, maybe the hard shoes, the work or the muddy shoes, this is where you do it. On my left hand side, you have the employee quarters. It is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit, and above it you have the storage for the water tanks. On the second deck, you have a 6,000-liter water tank, and this space has been reserved for any other tank that you would want to add. As I mentioned earlier, you have a back space or a kitchen garden, and as you can see, it is very beautiful. The greenery is inviting, and if you would want to get this out and do some greens, why not? I'll take all of you back inside. Come with me. As I mentioned earlier, here you have the common washroom, and this is the guest bedroom. As you can see, you have a wash basin or a vanity setup that doubles as a wash basin to this washroom. And if you are doing any other activities in the unit, you can always wash your hands here. This is the common washroom. It is long, very long indeed, and I don't think I have anything to say about it. Let's see the guest bedroom. From there, you can see that the guest bedroom is massive. It is getting the best views to the kitchen garden, and the window that you are getting will give you a maximum natural light. The closet of this guest bedroom are very well done, and as you can see, the spaces will be enough for all your clothes. Here you can do your hangable clothes, drawers down there, and these spaces can be used for the foldable clothes. You also have some spaces here for the shoes and a massive mirror. The guest bedroom comes with its washroom here, and you have a vanity setup behind me, a WC at the center, and on my far front, you have the showering area. From here, I'm going to take all of you to the upper level, and as we do, just take your time to admire this mahogany staircase. On this level, we have 2 bedrooms for the children, and we have the primary bedroom that will be used by you and your partner. But before we see all that, this house comes with an extra space. The space can be used as a study, a small office, or it can be used as a family space. As you can see, it is really long, very beautiful. I like this wall here because it is contrasting very well to this other wall. From here, I'm going to show you the boys' bedroom. From the entrance of the boys' bedroom, you are getting to the boys' bathroom. And as you can see, it comes with a small vanity at the entrance. You have a WC at the center, and here you have your showering area. If you'd want to do a shower curtain here to separate the washroom area from the bathroom area, you can always do that. And I like it that it comes with a rain shower and a handheld. The boys' bedroom is massive. It comes with a very big closet, and this will be enough for your boys. One thing that is a mystery to me is how you are going to get clothes from up there. This bedroom is the only bedroom that does not adopt a penthouse design. When we see the girls' bedroom and the primary bedroom, you will notice the difference. One thing to like is that the window is massive. I like it that it is tinted, and someone from the other part of the estate can never peep on you when you are doing your stuff. From the boys' bedroom directly to the girls' bedroom. Interesting, I like it that Mr. Sante already opened the closet to this bedroom, and as much as he is more than 5 foot tall, which is standard, he was unable to open that closet space. If you are going to buy this house, you must be very prepared to join a compulsory gym. As you can see from there, the closet has been done very well, and it is just a replica to what we saw in the boys' bedroom. But one thing is the penthouse design that comes with this bedroom. It is very beautiful. I like how the developer applied the architectural design that were provided, and that design is adding some value to this unit because I think it is the most unique unit in Juja area. The amount of light that you are getting from this massive window, especially during the day, is incomparable. From here, I'm going to take you to the primary bedroom, but before I do that, the girls' bathroom is here, and it is adopting a similar concept to the one that we saw in the boys' bedroom. Let's go and see where the magic is going to happen. If you can still remember, I said that this unit is 350 square meters. And on top of that, you are getting 30 feet ceilings, and they are adding to the aesthetics and the ergonomics of this unit. On my left hand side, you have the biggest window, and it is acting as the access to this balcony, and the front views that you are getting from this space are incomparable. Just come. I know it is in the evening, but if it looks like this at this time, how do you expect it to look during the day? On my left hand side, you have the closet area, and the closet area starts from here. This is part of the closet, and it extends on the other side to become a walk-in closet. Just come with me. On this other side, you have a mini closet, as I mentioned, and it comes with sliding doors to make sure that your clothes are very well secured. On my far front, you have the biggest dresser that we have seen in the channel, and it comes with one of the biggest mirrors, and from here, I can see that today I was very smart. Behind me, you have the primary bathroom. The primary bathroom is 8 by 12 feet, and that means that it is bigger than a standard bedsitter. It comes with a double vanity for you and your sweetheart, and here you have your WC. On my far front, you have a bathtub, and next to it, you have your showering area. Why you don't get a jacuzzi in this unit is something that I don't know. We will ask the developer. Make sure you comment that in the comment section below. One thing to note is that the bathroom comes with a rain shower and a handheld, and you are getting so much light from the skylight above. During the day, you are getting a ton of light from these 3 small windows, and that's all for this bathroom. And with that, we have come to the end of the tour. We hope you have enjoyed. This has been a lot of work, so make sure you subscribe and like this video. Bye bye.